Hello everyone, greetings from New South Wales, Australia. Just another short explanation of how I use my Roland Juno DS to loop instruments so I can play a longer piece. Is that I leave channel 1 open just for the piano. I pre-record a drum loop of 8 bars on channel 8, and then I use pairs to record a bass and a vocal pad background that I can play along with. The only problem is that when I come to the end of the 8 bars, I have to turn 2 buttons off and turn another 2 on quickly to introduce the next section, and so on, and then back to it. So sometimes I stuff up, but you'll get the hang of it. I'll just turn this Korg Pianorec. This is a handy little device for recording onto my phone. Turn the sound off so you can't hear my neighbour over there hammering in a fence post. And we'll see what happens. We'll call this one Bits and Pieces. That's all it is.